Keep your doty in your mouth. Keep it there. Don't spit it out. Hey. I said don't spit out your doty. Oops. Okay. Keep it. Hold it in there. Upside down boat. Hold. Hold. No. No. Keydren. Hey. Keydren. What did I just say? Don't spit your doty out. No. No. Hey. Little boy. Here you go. Do you want your doty? No? Oh, okay. Oh, you do want it. Okay. Don't spit it out. Just suck on it. See, is that so hard?
Oh, I get it, yeah. What happens is when you hit the ball, you bounce.
Follow.
Then where do you
Follow. 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 What? Keydren? No. Bad Keydren.